Okay, so looks like we are live. I want to rename this stream first. So give me a second. I can make it bigger. Okay, so what I will be doing today, I will be using my Claude Code skill for a cold email outreach. And what I'm going to do is I will be reviewing the site, the leads website, trying to find what's the issue, what can be improved there, and I will be adding them to my pipeline. And my pipeline that I have set up with Claude Code is the first they are going to my local file system in the MD file, and then it's syncing my local files and the local state with my cold email outreach campaign instantly. Uh, so yeah, it's like a two-step verification, but here I'm just writing the top details and it's structuring the email for me how it's supposed to look like, and then it's doing the follow-up emails by itself. So how am I doing this? I have Claude Code here with uh, web plugin, and this Chrome plugin is basically using the website for me. It have its cursor. It's not perfect, but it works quite okay. Sometimes when I try to edit something and it's trying to edit something, then it can interfering a bit. Like for example, if they have native drop downs that are a native pop-up and I'm clicking somewhere on the other screen, it can go in its way, so the pop-up will disappear and you have to do it again. I was testing it already. I already put one lead here, so in the instantly there is not that much issue, but I was using Claude Code to use easy apply mode in the LinkedIn, and in that case there are many drop downs, many native inputs, and sometimes it's not, even if it have access to all the information about me and my work history, etc., it cannot sometimes it have issues to fill some of the fields, or it can have to it can have two files that are stating something else. So for example, I have there like a 10 years of experience, and sometimes it's technically it's over 10 years now, but in some of the older files it's still 8 or 9, because I have this markdown files since like 2023, I think, so it's like 3 years ago. Yeah, so during that time I have many of the daily notes, like to-do tasks, which were done, which were not done, many informations that I copy paste to some articles, Oh, by the way, I also have to publish my article today. I should do it because I didn't post anything for a long time. But what I want to do first is, yeah, I will check. Yeah, last article was July 7th, so it's time for something new. Other thing is the instantly. And I want to show you exactly what I need here. I can show you everything. There are no keys visible here, so I'll just paste it here. They have their own compile, but I don't use this thing. So basically I have the email domain that is fully warmed up and it's warming up still. 40 warm up emails, help score 100%. That's my email. Another thing, campaigns. I have one campaign dedicated to the healthcare. Here I think it's only one lead in here. Let me check what's inside. Yeah, so I have only one lead here. Oh crap. Yeah. I just made it to test it. And yeah, today I'm going to fill this list with the fresh leads and with the Claude Code. So I will zoom it in so it's better visible. What's model here? Sonnet is okay. Yeah, Sonnet is actually okay because it doesn't need that much thinking. I think high effort will be okay here too. So how am I doing it? I start with Apollo IO. And I'm logged in here. I still have 140 credits and only a few days left. How am I doing this? So I have my list of the people. Usually I choose people. Can I zoom in? No, there's some. Oh, okay, the zoom is delayed. And no, it's too big. And in this list, I filter exactly on what I need. So I have the name, job title, company, their links. I will be checking their links. Yeah, so it has saved some of my previous filters. That's great. So the location is Florida and health, wellness, fitness, employees 51 to 100. I can see all of the filters that I set. And oh crap, I don't remember if I went through this list and I finished it or not. So I have there are only 107 leads in here. Yeah. Yeah, so the way I'm doing it is you have the name, you have usually the links, which is usually their LinkedIn account. You have access email to just get this email, and then I can add it to my mailing list. Okay, I took the wrong tab here, so I'll just leave it here. This is my preview for the live stream. Analytics. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, and I have my LinkedIn account, not in the job tab. My feed, everything seems to look good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first I have to check this company's website. So I usually open it in the new tab, company, and they usually have the website. I think I will make the stream private later because it's more like a teaching video, so it will be available only for some of the users and some people I want to train later on, not for everyone, not for public access. Oh, they have a very cool website, nice design, some nice touches with the highlights. It looks cool and modern, so I don't think they would have any issues, but let's check it just quickly. How I usually do it, I usually go to Lighthouse, navigation, desktop is okay, and analyze page load. And what it's doing here is just rendering the website and checking this first render frame by frame. So as you can see, there are some accessibility issues with the contrast, for example. Yeah, but they usually this site looks like it was made recently. Probably it was sold to them not that long ago, so they can be a difficult customer to get. Headings are not in the order. What is here? Document does not have a main landmark. This is the issue, and this is not. I mean, this one is the quite bad one. Best practices, APIs, browser errors were logged into. Oh, that's interesting. WordPress, themes, fancy box is not defined. Okay, but I don't think they will care about this, about that. So I think I will skip them. I'm always wondering who made it for that kind of a customer. This is off top, completely off top. Sometimes they have something in the footer, out there, sitemap. Oh, that's interesting. Sitemap also in the footer. Privacy policy too. I'll open because the link is interesting. Privacy policy 2. So what's the privacy policy 1? Okay, it was probably some placeholder. Doesn't matter that much. They have some platform. Now I'm wondering if they are using some software house or they have everything in-house. It can be interesting. scheduling agent. Okay, so they are doing the same thing as me, basically automating the pipeline. They implement some AI bot, so they probably made this platform by themselves, so I will skip them. Nothing interesting. Pharmacy hub. Okay, Apollo have some issue. Ooh, that sucks. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, the list changed. So let's check Medical Tourism Association. What's their website? It looks like a poster. Quite old school and quite low contrast, so I'm sure they will have some lighthouse issues. Many logs in the console, so it's WordPress. I'm sure about that. Okay, accessibility, contrast, of course, join. Resources, members. Many issues in the console. GTM. Usually that things should be cleared before pushing to production. Page view, all the information about me, about their Google tag. Oh yeah. Let's look at the other issues. Deprecate APIs, third-party cookies. Deprecate APIs, usually it's something from WordPress, content, script.js, okay. Third-party cookies. Many scripts, GPT.js. So ads, Google Ads, they probably have some plugin that installs a lot of things on their website. iframe. Anyway, I'm not sure if this is something that I would take. There was some website to check the stack. There was some plugin under the hood, that one. Stack. jQuery, Google Front, page building, Webflow. Okay. We have Django in here. What is doing the Webflow? It would be good to know what was the publish date, because if it's something new, they probably... Ooh, security score D. So it's not secure. It reveals all the server things. So now I'm wondering if it's like fully exposed here. Analytics. Okay, I want to see what they are requesting when they switch that. Oh, it's lagging a lot. No, I would not take this project. It's probably a huge mess under the hood. And it's made on the website builder, so global have carries. Okay, I probably choose some external link. Analytics. What? Well, have credentials? What the hell? It's definitely something strange happening here. Okay, I will rerun the lighthouse. No idea if I would take it project or not. Let's keep it as it is. Pharmacy hub. Again, Apollo. What the hell? Signature MD EPH. Okay, so I will group them together. Is it possible here? Not really. Cosmetics, Petersburg Free Clinic. So I'll just open it all here. It's like only 100 sites, so I should be able to do it. At least this first 30 records here. Pharmacy hub. And they have waxing, fitness machine technique, Simplast. Okay, they don't give email, so I don't even open that one. And looks like my computer is lagging. Okay, the string quality is poor, so maybe I opened too many of them. Okay, I'll be opening it. Crap! Apollo, what the hell? It sucks so much. I opened so many sites and half of them are broken. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will start looking at them. And that was the list. Okay, let's check this one. And their website. What's the stack they have? Shopify. Okay. Super heavy website. Super heavy. But from the marketing perspective, it's probably nice. They probably have nice visuals. Debug logs. Okay, I'll add it to my daily note for the leads list. So I'll do it like that, and I usually it's the company name, company website, how I usually make it. Apollo link. Grande Cosmetics. Then I check the contact person, and there should be people. CEO, okay, I open the CEO website. Find the name. Also Apollo link. You can check LinkedIn. The location is already different than what I had in Apollo. And what I check here, Grande Media, so it looks like it's a big company. They don't have their own LinkedIn site. Anyway, I'll paste it here. And email. To get the email, I have to click this access email. And it will show for me. Okay, now I have the person details. Apollo have its own sequence, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to copy the email. And the issue that the website has. So okay, I should audit it in the incognito mode because I have my own plugins that can affect this website. Let's see the result. I already see some issues. I can already see some issues shown here in the tab. Leaking data. Debug logs. Okay, but I want to look at the other pages here. Okay, so the pictures are big, and some fonts are big too, but some not that much. In my opinion, I would probably scale it up to buy now and move the price somewhere up in here. But probably it doesn't matter for them, or they wanted it that way. These tags are super small, barely visible. Okay. So the website is That's not good. They have some code injected. That's not good. Maybe not me, but everyone. Everyone can see campaign details. This is probably from Google. Event GTM. Google Analytics. Impact radius script initialize. And what's that thing? Prev email persisting conversion. Oh crap. Web pixel. So what's that? Is it from Facebook? Context. Probably. Location. My language. My system. That? Yeah, Atlas Beacon. Sono.js. Currency. Klarna setup. Other thing is that this this debug mode actually is development mode. Other things is that it affects negatively on website performance. Okay, and how my pipeline looks here. I have this cold email, skill, no research, crap. How does this skill look like? Show me all the modes of the skill. I don't really remember because I added something on top of it. Probably I will have to split it into a few skills, not really include everything here. So waterfall dashboard. Pipeline new. Name company angle. Instantly and settings. So it will be called email. One time for the application creators, just research. Add new prospect to the pipeline. Okay, I will copy this because I have to use it all the time with every single person. And I just copy paste it here. It's Sonnet 5, so yeah, it won't be that expensive to run the new prospect through the pipeline. Actually, it doesn't have to fetch the site because I already did the research here. Maybe I should change this skill to make it optional. Anyway, not now. Okay, let it work and let's move to the next company, which is the St. Petersburg free clinic. So clinics are more regulated than beauty salons and things like that. It's possible that I won't be legally able to take that kind of projects if I would have direct access to the health records. But otherwise, if I don't have access to the health records of the patients, I can take that project. They look like nice people. Okay, I have no idea what they're doing. And their website is super basic. How do I schedule appointment? Please contact our office to schedule an appointment. Overthinking, contact, brief, interview, eligibility. Okay. So not everyone can set up appointment here. Current income and income for those in your household. Necessary forms so that we may obtain your medical records prior to your visit. Let's obtain. Okay. So let's check the booking system for them. They can have I can make automated booking system. Customized to your needs. super basic website. Oh, they have accessibility plugin. You'll be sure that your website fills ADA requirements. I can see that you are using a widget, but it's not making it, but it's not making website fully compliant. You will also want me to, so you will have issues fixed natively and won't have to pay for the widget subscription. Okay, what's their stack? Security. Ooh. Oh yeah. jQuery fastly. It's probably some. No, it's React. It's probably some website builder. Stack, React, jQuery. This is super weird. React plus jQuery. PHP. WordPress for CMS. I hate it. I really don't like it. But I think they will need some help with it. Security. Anyway, that's enough. I want to check my own website. I didn't really check it, like never. Ooh, I also have to fix my security issues. Content security policy, permission policy for browser features. Software version and Windows creating this header. Okay, I should obfuscate my own website too. But everything else is the A grade. Okay. So I have the Apollo website. I have, oh crap, I have their own website. There is a contact person, people. I want to check the LinkedIn in the meantime. Okay, why it's not loading? Oh. This sucks so much. Okay, I have to load this again. St. Petersburg Free Clinic. No way. No way, it crashed completely. No way. Fuck. Okay, I have to check it later on. At least I have this lead saved already. At least the company. So let's see this one. Precision, performance, profit. Our expert revenue cycle management services ensure sustained business growth and optimized cash flow, allowing you to focus fully on your patients. Medical coding. Okay. Consulting, collection. So they are doing similar services probably to what I do. Optimize long-term financial health of your practice. No, but they are probably selling software too. So it's not my target. Smith. Okay, it really sucks. I hope it's not WordPress. React. jQuery, backend, PHP, CMS, WordPress. Yeah, so they're using WordPress in the backend and probably have custom frontend for it. Not really sure. But security issues, speed issues. SEO is the big rate. So the technical SEO can be fixed a little bit. Okay, now I will make the audit, Lighthouse audit in a incognito page. Okay, now I want to know what's under this block author. It's not there. Premier Solutions. Transform the nation of. Why would they exclude it? What's this? So they are making the gyms in general. Flooring of everything from A to Z. I'm not sure about them, but yeah, technical SEO, 3JS. No idea if I should push them to the pipeline or not. Let's check what happened with the previous saved prospect. Okay. Research. Both pigs, meetings drafted. Okay. Oh, I don't know. It's like a 50% fitness facility design. I think I will pass on them. Because first thing they need a high quality photos. Radiology Association. So what they do? I have no idea what is it about. Traditional, let's check. Radiology. They have external website for recruiting. I don't know. Because I won't be able to have access to their own data sets. It's heavily restricted. So I should pass this. Oh, that was fast. Okay, something didn't connect. Page speed is super nice here. Animation effects are good too. Book appointment. This looks nice. Send the request here back within 1 business hour. It's announced the first visit. No, I think they have some in-house IT person, so no, not even need to check them. This is terrible. This is terrible. Okay, I have Google Tag. Nice. So they already have some system. Probably I have to pass them too. Or maybe. Actually, I will check them. Access Labs. The website. Oh. SEO, technical SEO. Crap, did they close it? No, it's still there. It can be easily fixed. To avoid fines. And LinkedIn ads. What's the stack? Angular, HubSpot, okay. Angular and React. I don't get it. Okay, CMS, Node.js. Oh, I like it. It's totally my stack. HubSpot CMS, that's okay. Recaptcha. What's name? Access Labs. Okay, I'm just saving the companies because Apolali crashed, so I guess I won't be able to access also other websites details and about the people working there too. Okay, maybe I will stop this live stream right now. That's it. Oh, that's the good one. Looking at this UI, I'm 100% sure there will be many issues. Debugger that just stopped here. Google Tag Manager logs. Something blocked. Water tech stack. React, great. Popper, TP, and CMS, WordPress. So probably most of them had the headless WordPress CMS. But I like the way, the direction they go. Pre-workout, online coaching, shop. Let's see their score, if they are passing the quality audit. Why did it stuck? Okay, reload it. Some issues. To access content. The SEO is unknown. No, I need some score. Or is it that bad? It can be single page application. In that case, there is a lot that can be fixed. Yeah, so their SEO totally sucks. Let's see, robots text. Okay, they have something. Disallow WordPress admin. Oh no. So it's made on WordPress. Let's check the sitemap. Is it a proper sitemap format? I have the plugin that shows it in a more technical way, because it looks like there is a generated full HTML post sitemap. It's not really XML file. Ooh, they have a lot of stuff. But this XML files made in a strange way. I have no idea what did they do here. Okay, which links are not crawlable? Where's the H1 tag? Did it find it or not? H1. Okay, it's H1. 2 H1 tags. You need to pay for supplements. Okay, and the previous one is here. Need supplements to build muscle and fun, stay healthy. So their technical SEO sucks. accessibility issues. But they had accessibility issues. And touch targets. Application elements are not sequential. Okay. That's this. The name is Lekion. Okay. I have to add the people to this. So I will end the stream here right now. Let's see.